Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Realme GT8 Pro using your device's PIN code. First of all, when you are on this screen, make sure that you are entering the PIN code, the security PIN code that you set up yourself, and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. And if you have an alternative way to sign in to your device, for example, face unlock or fingerprint unlock method, then use it to access your device and back up all the important data you have on the smartphone to either your PC or an external cloud storage. And after that, perform a factory reset operation, and I will explain how to do that later in the video. Now, the best option, the best solution for this situation, in case you cannot access your device at all, is to reach out to Realme Customer Support service and tell them about this issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they'll be able to help you out and will restore your password without removing any personal data from your smartphone. Now, if you cannot do that, then as I said before, we can perform a factory reset operation. We can either do that through the recovery mode, and if you're interested in how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this device, we have a separate video on our channel that explains this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. You're highly welcome. You can also perform a factory reset operation on the smartphone remotely if you have a Google account linked to it. In such case, all you have to do is access the web browser on any other device that you have that has internet access on it, and search for the FindHub service, open it, and then enter your Google account's email and password here. Go to the devices section, find your Realme on the list, and after you select your Realme on this list from another device, you'll be able to tap on settings and select factory reset on this for this smartphone. And once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again, and after the device is set up again, you'll be able to set a new password or a new PIN code for yourself. Now, what I didn't mention in this video is that if you do remember your device's PIN code, but you still cannot access your device using it, maybe your device is lagging because of some third-party application interference or some background activity interference. To outrule this possibility, we're going to have to access the safe mode on our smartphone. So to do that, you're going to have to press and hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time, and keep holding them until the screen of your device goes off. After that, release both of these buttons and wait until you see the Realme logo on your screen. After it appears on the screen, wait for about 3 to 5 seconds and then start holding down the volume down key and wait until your device is started. Once you see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's display, that means that you have successfully entered the safe mode. Here, try to enter your PIN code once again, and in case you succeed, before trying to figure out which kind of application or which application could have caused this kind of issue, go to settings and then open security and privacy menu here. Then go to device unlock, select screen lock, enter your PIN code once again, and select turn off password and confirm with your PIN code. Then restart your device normally by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle up to restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.